Last week, the Iowa City Planned Parenthood officially ended in-person visits. Now, the only location in the state left with in-person service is here in Des Moines. Local 5's Brandon Wynn joins us in studio to share what Planned Parenthood is warning their patients. Brandon.
Yeah, Stephanie, the Iowa City closure has led to worries about the Des Moines location being overloaded. But Planned Parenthood says that burden may be most felt by other states. Planned Parenthood expressed frustration at the trend of losing in-person care centers in Iowa.
1/3 of our state is currently considered a reproductive health care desert, meaning that, a third of Iowa counties don't even have a provider there.
Kirsten Delegardelle with Planned Parenthood says the loss of their Iowa City Center could affect the Des Moines location. But recent trends have shown that Iowa's border states might be feeling the biggest impacts.
Patient travel from Iowa to Minnesota increased by 46%, and travel from Iowa to Nebraska increased by 220%.
Those numbers reflect Iowans seeking abortion services after Iowa's newest abortion restrictions went into effect last year. However, some Iowans are calling these closures a victory.
We feel very strongly that Planned Parenthood should not exist, that it's been a blight on the state, and we're thankful that we're down to one.
Chuck Hurley, with the Family Leader, feels Planned Parenthood harms Iowa, citing their abortion services. He says he would rather see Iowans look to assistive programs for mothers and utilize the foster system, although Planned Parenthood emphasized they do more than abortions.
Birth control, emergency contraception, gender-affirming care, pregnancy testing and planning, prenatal and postpartum services, STI testing and treatment, vaccines, mental health support, perimenopause and menopause care. That's a huge list.
Hurley says even these services are concerning to Family Leader.
They promote pushing kids to suppress their natural development. They push for transgenderism, which is just really harmful to young people.
Further complicating Planned Parenthood services is a recent law that bans telehealth consultations and mail-order drugs for abortions in Iowa. Now, Planned Parenthood emphasized the vast online coverage they still offer across the state. Most services are available online, excluding abortions. For a full list of those services, make sure to visit weareiowa.com. Stephanie?